Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with my transparent base / pouring medium, some scrape offs and the hair dryer. Yeah, maybe a little weird, sounds a little weird for now, but the result is just amazing. I have some scrape offs from my previous pour that I did, that transparent base invisible sandwich pour. I scraped it off from the table and decided to use them as my base for the blowout pour. So here I'm just adding this transparent pouring medium just to wet down the canvas, because I want to use that little that it's left in my jars. And now I will grab the scrape offs that I scraped into a cup, and I will just straight pour it. And here I have this transparent base. What is white is basically the transparent base also, so it will not be white when dry, because my pouring medium dries clear and creates some beautiful layers, some beautiful blending, natural looking blending of colors that I really like. That's why I play with that idea lately. And I will just tilt it out, add some solid color to it, and then blow it out. And on the wet result, you don't see the whole meaning of that background yet. So make sure that you will wait for the dried results. If you can watch the whole thing, I will be even more grateful, because it helps my algorithms if you watch the whole video, not just skip. I know that sometimes we don't have time, just want to see the end result, but if you have time, I will really appreciate it. So this will be my swirl that I will add the colors in, and you will see the magic at the end. here she is dry, and I love it. This base from Drip Offs turned out just amazing, and because there is transparent base, my pouring my pouring medium in there, you see some kind of natural looking lighting, or how can I say, and oh my god, this part, and this part here, and here, you see, because there was not a solid color for the negative space, it created really interesting patterns, I believe. I really, really love it. Look at those cool cells here. I love this. And I'm so happy that I found something again that makes me want to go on and explore and have fun. Isn't it gorgeous? Yeah. I hope that I gave you some idea, that you like that. If you will try this, please let me know, tag me, like the video if you like it, share it with your friends. It really helps the algorithms, because they are, you know, not friendly to our type of content lately. People want drama, not some beautiful things. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for being here, and see you again on Friday. Bye.